How to create a PowerPoint presentation with pictures and text in Canva. I'll show you guys a detailed information about how you can easily create a presentation on Canva. First thing we do is open up our browser and then go to canva.com. Once you are here, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then you're going to have to create a new design, or you could see different designs on the homepage as well. Go to create and then select presentations. Now let's just select presentation 16 by 9 full screen. It will open up a completely new design for you on Canva. Wait for it to load completely. All you have to do here is go to the designs tab at the left. Now you can import different kind of templates from here so that you could have a base and you can just add your information to the template. But if you see there are a lot of templates with the crown features, that means these are pro features. So if you don't have a pro version of Canva, you won't be able to access them. What I want to do is I'm just going to go ahead and import this project right here. It seems like it's a free one. So let me just click on it and then apply all 10 pages. So it's not that flashy or fancy, so it's a simple presentation. So I've got all of these templates ready. So let's say if I want to change the image, what I can do is tap on the three dots. And then from here, you can add in alt text, lock this, and then change the picture as well. So if you want to change the picture, you're first going to have to delete this. And once you delete the picture, all you have to do now is just go ahead and import a new one. So what I'm going to do here is I think it's locked right now. So let me just go ahead and unlock this first. You could also edit the text here. So you could add your own text, which I'm not going to do right now. I'm going to delete this as well, and then go to uploads. Now I've already uploaded some images here, so let me just add this Batman right here. I'm gonna elongate it, make it bigger, and add it like this. So that's a basically create a presentation with images and text on Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.